Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by boiling 3 eggs for 9 minutes for a firm yolk. Then cool them immediately in ice water for 5 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easier. While the eggs cook, chop 1 medium tomato, 1/4 cup diced celery, and 1 small red onion very finely so they mix smoothly. Peel the eggs, halve them to remove yolks if desired, and reserve 1 egg white chopped for added texture in the salad. Set everything on a clean plate ready to assemble. In a bowl, whisk 2 tablespoons mayonnaise with 1 tsp Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon lemon juice until smooth and emulsified. This is the base of your dressing. Season the mixture with 1/4 tsp salt, 1/8 tsp black pepper, and 1/2 tsp sugar to balance acidity, then taste and adjust. Fold the dressing into the chopped eggs and vegetables gently to avoid turning the salad mushy. Use a spatula to combine so chunks remain, and mix and serve the egg-boiled salad on a bed of lettuce, as a toast topping, or as a sandwich filling to make 2-3 servings right away. The texture is best fresh. Refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days, and never freeze this salad because mayonnaise separates and alters texture. For easy variations, add 1 tablespoon chopped dill for herbiness, 1 tablespoon capers for brine, or 1/4 cup crumbled bacon for smoky crunch. Adjust salt and lemon to taste before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.